Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Appsheet and Google App Maker. Appsheet is a no-code platform acquired by Google, now part of Google Cloud, that allows users to create custom mobile and web applications without needing to write code. Users generally find Appsheet to be intuitive and user-friendly, especially for those without extensive coding experience. It supports a wide range of use cases and industries, from simple data collection apps to complex business process automation. The pricing structure of Appsheet includes free and paid plans based on usage and features. It offers the starter plan at $5, the core plan at $10, and the enterprise plan at $20. Google App Maker was a low-code development platform designed to help businesses build and deploy custom apps within G Suite. This allowed for easy data integration and automation within existing Google workflows. Similar to other Google products, AppMaker has a user-friendly interface that appealed to users familiar with G Suite tools. Google's support and community resources were seen as adequate, but sometimes lacking compared to more mature low-code platforms. Google recommended alternatives like Appsheet, now part of Google Cloud, for more robust app development needs. When comparing Appsheet and Google App Maker, Appsheet emerges as a better choice, especially for small businesses and those seeking a more robust low-code platform. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.